Hi everyone, I'm Matt, a product expert here at Urmet UK, and today I'm unboxing our dual button ExiTimer self-resetting emergency exit system. Let's get started. Opening the box, the first thing we can see are the fixing screws, which are used to fix the dual button ExiTimer device to its housing. We've got the installation manual, which guides you through the installation, configuration and commissioning of the device. It also includes troubleshooting tips, and there's a QR code linking to our free online training course, which walks you through the install process step by step. The device itself arrives in brown paper packaging. Taking it out of the box and unwrapping it, you can see the dual button ExiTimer device in full. On the back of the device, there's a protective cardboard sleeve for the PCB, which can be removed. And that's everything you'll find inside the box. If you'd like to find out more about our dual button ExiTimer self-resetting emergency exit system, you can either click the link at the top of the screen or get in touch with us at support@urmet.co.uk.